I'm Tom Dickinson.
All right.
As a young boy, I was diagnosed on the autism spectrum disorder and told that I would not accomplish a lot. But I never let that stop me because I used two words: watch me. I'm a professional chef. I'm also a fully credentialed school teacher. And I'm a two-time cookbook author. So join me as we meet some really interesting people, cook some amazing food, and prove that just because you have a diagnosis doesn't mean you can't accomplish great things. So what are you guys waiting for?
So this is our
It's time to watch me cook.
That we made by Grant.
Hey everyone, this is Chef Tom Dickinson. Thank you for watching this video, and if you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, the link is down below. Don't forget to check it out. Check out some of the videos I've done. We cover a lot of different topics. Check out the evolution of how Watch Me Cook has evolved. Check out how it began, and when you go and check out the YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and I appreciate the support. Hope you guys all have a great day. Go be awesome.